Alright, this is too important to not share. So I'm working on Jim's Mk4, replacing the accelerator cable and accelerator pedal. And I've got it out. So you can see in here, I pulled out the bolts that held the old accelerator cable and pedal in. The cable, if you can see it up there, is just kind of hanging right up here. And we'll pull that out here momentarily. I'm probably going to have to ask for some help because I need somebody to hold the cable on the outside while I undo it from the inside. But what I wanted to show you was the pedal we pulled out. It looks like the piece that came from Factory 5. But if you can see, it's all loose. So the washer here on the end is loose. The arm itself is loose. It's just kind of being held in by gravity. It's very important when you guys put stuff together like this, especially a wear item, that you get some Loctite on the threads. And there's no Loctite on here. And so this is one of those things that could have been a problem, a potential roadside emergency when the accelerator cable breaks, or the accelerator pedal in this case breaks. And this is not an easy part to get to inside the footbox. You know, I have the lift here and I'm able to get it fairly easy by raising the lift up a little bit, so I don't have to dive head first into there on my back. But so there you go. Loctite your parts together, guys, so you don't have this issue.